Looking for a new internet solution? T-Mobile's internet plan is suitable for areas with reliable 5G coverage. Offers good speeds at a reasonable price with no annual contracts. So if you're a gamer or work from home, take the 15-day test drive that T-Mobile offers. If you have a T-Mobile voice line, you can choose low-cost 5G plans at $35 per month, speed plans at $45 per month with advanced cybersecurity, and all-in plans at $55 for streaming and browsing. If you don't have a T-Mobile voice line, the plans may vary as displayed on a video screen. Here are some plans with autopay, with no hidden fees or surprise charges. As you can see here, the Rely Home Internet plan is available at $50 per month. Amplified Home Internet at $60 with the fastest speeds, unlimited data, price lock, advanced cybersecurity, and more. If you want the best value plan, with all benefits, go through the 70 monthly plan. Now, let's see the pros and cons of T-Mobile Home Internet. The online exclusive offer is available to get up to $300 back when you sign up for a qualifying T-Mobile 5G home internet plan online or via chat. T-Mobile offers free 2-day shipping, so order today and get your gateway. Also, get a limited time offer to get $200 back when you activate a business internet plan. The link is given in the video description. For more savings, go through T-Mobile Tuesday and download the T-Life app to get perks on selecting wireless plans. Please note that internet speed may vary based on network conditions. Some users report that a T-Mobile connection is suitable for browsing and streaming activities. In contrast, some users face fluctuations in peak times. To set up T-Mobile, follow these easy steps. Check if T-Mobile 5G is available in your area, enter your address to proceed. Then, tap on Check Availability. The link is available in the video description. Order and receive your T-Mobile gateway device. At last, download the T-Life app and get set up in 15 minutes. Overall, its price is reasonable and easy to set up. It could be an excellent choice for streaming TV and security. You'll get 24-hour customer support for any doubts and issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.